What up, peeps? Tony Baker here. Welcome to another episode of Unpopular Opinion. And my unpopular opinion is that dark meat chicken is trash.
What?
Now, hold on. I know some of y'all that know me, I'm vegetarian. I've been a vegetarian for 3 years. Y'all gonna be like, you eat chicken. I ate chicken for 38 years, so I know what the hell I'm talking about. I just want to put that disclaimer in here now. I don't eat chicken at all anymore. Let's get that out the way. When I did eat chicken, when I was a kid, I used to only eat chicken legs. And then I used to look at the legs and just get disgusted at all the veins and the fatty meats and the chewy choo-choos and the greasy meats. Now, a lot of people like the greasy. Oh, it's juicy. No, it's grease. It's not juice, it's grease. I like white meat chicken when I was eating the chicken. You know what I'm saying? I know it's dry. I know it's dry. I like my meat dry. I like my breast meat dry. I don't need the chewy, fatty greasiness in my chicken. That's why I prefer the white meat. So the thigh meat is disgusting. Thigh meat is disgusting. To eat a raw, just a regular chicken thigh, I would rather be held hostage by terrorists, and they want the launch codes, and they be like, Tony, give them the thighs. I'm giving up the launch code just from the thigh offer.
But the foundation of your argument is that you like dry chicken.
I like dry. I like.
Well, you're trash.
I like.
You're just dumb.
I like white meat chicken.
This is the
other way to say it. Like there's just.
I like white meat chicken.
I want
dark meat chicken is gross to me.
So rank your orders of the chicken. You can't tell
wait. Before you answer, does it matter if it's fried, baked, or grilled?
Okay, we all know fried everything.
No, but I'm saying because I like grilled chicken breasts. Fried breast is trash.
But look, but grilled dark meat is gonna be better than grilled breast, though. You know what I'm saying?
But I'm just saying, like, I won't argue him on the white meat tip of like we all eat chicken breast. We have a grilled sandwich, salad.
Is disgusting.
A what?
A fried chicken.
I had one yesterday. At midnight, Tony. At midnight. I ate a fried chicken thigh at midnight.
Chicken thigh meat is the grossest thing I can ever think of.
You're gross.
You know what?
You ever look at a leg?
You're so disappointed.
You ever look at the legs?
So rank yours. You can't. Chicken breast is number one.
Yes.
And then what?
And then the wings.
Wing is
that's white. Yeah, that's white.
And then thigh, then leg, or leg?
And then it's just throw the whole bird.
What has the thigh ever done to you?
It's nasty.
No, it's not.
It's nasty.
It's flavorful.
It's so flavorful.
It's a lot of fattiness in there.
I tell you, I like the fatty chewy. And I like the chewy.
See, I don't like the chewy. Tim is all about that.
I want the gizzards.
That's why sometimes when they done, I just take the bath, I drink it.
I punch on the cartilage.
We don't cuss.
I
don't like the texture. Like when I used to eat bourbon chicken, nasty to me because I knew it was dark meat. Now I'd be chewing and just like. You know when you watch your cats and your dogs chewing, they just be chewing with man. That was me on the top.
So you like to chew your chicken and then not be able to swallow it.
Right.
Yeah.
You want to just chew it for
wash it down with some water. And not all white meat chicken is dry.
No, the
chicken wings are not dry.
That's the best part of chicken.
The wings are number one.
Because the chicken breast is giving you the most nutrients.
Chicken breast is best used grilled and cold for a salad.
Exactly.
That is the best use of chicken breast.
Yeah.
Fried chicken breast is useless. It's just to make your bucket look full.
Exactly.
Right.
They always throw you in the chicken breast.
And no one wants it. It's always last.
Yeah,
no one wants it. Then Tony come in. Ooh, I'll eat it. Nobody wants it.
Chicken breasts are mad popular out here.
Ever since you stop eating chicken, it doesn't get eaten anymore. No one eats
chicken breasts are mad popular. They probably the most popular piece. The wings and the breasts are the two most popular pieces of all time.
Breast is overrated. Nobody's really talking about breast. No, they only bring it up because they want to sound healthy. They want to sound healthy.
They want to sound healthy and eat.
Why is it always the last thing left?
Because chicken breast, especially fried, it retains the least amount of seasoning.
Exactly.
If you gotta season it so much more, it doesn't. It'd be like seasoning, get off me. I don't want it to taste like nothing. I want to bite a towel. That's what fried chicken breast is.
Nobody's looking for thighs.
Are you?
Is there a buffalo Buffalo Wild Thighs. It's Buffalo Wild Wings. There's no fireplace.
I feel like the thigh is like the black woman of the chicken. It's got all the flavor, okay? And it's under.
But they overlook.
We are overlooked, and that is what I'm saying. So I personally take offense to it because it's amazing.
And then you choose the white breast.
Come on,
sign me up with a blonde haired chicken breast.
Just got the thigh
all day. Put the wig on the chicken breast. Put that chicken breast on Fox News as an anchor. We all in. But the chicken thighs, chicken thighs can stay on BET after 12 a.m. I'm sick of chicken thighs.
Really?
Yeah.
Breast is trash. Every time you go to a function, the breast is always the last thing. Always the last thing.
Nobody doing functions with bucket chickens.
Nobody wants that.
Nobody really takes
always the last thing.
The wings are the most popular piece of the chicken.
When did we stop taking buckets of chicken to stuff?
It's just
like, wow.
When did they make buckets of chicken? Like, for real?
No,
somebody showing up with a bucket of chicken.
Bucket of chicken used to be the way
it used to be.
And we don't drink
cocaine used to be everywhere too.
Okay, that's still out. We live in Hollywood.
The most popular piece of the chicken are wings.
Yes,
that's white meat. White meat reigns supreme.
We've got so much flavor.
When I tell you,
that's all I'm
It's like,
when I grew up, chicken breast was my favorite, right? I loved it. I always wanted it. And then it wasn't until I moved to California and this white woman put some chicken thighs on the grill. And I didn't even know what it was. And I was like, why have I been missing this? I haven't gone back. I haven't gone back to white.
I started with the dark meat. I started with the chicken legs because as a kid, it was the easiest to eat. You just be like, and I started looking at it. I was like, the veininess and the fat bubble at the top, and the drums. Then that little one little bone.
Drums is
right here, and I was
it is the worst.
And I would leave mad meat on the bone.
Yeah,
and then sometimes I would get served the leg with the thigh attached.
Oh, that's the best, bro. That's the best.
That's the quarter.
Disgusting.
I understand the drumstick, but the thigh is
it's the same meat. The thigh and the leg is the same meat.
They're so different. They're like fraternal twins, though. Like, well, this one's good looking. That's the ugly twin. Nah, man, the thigh and the leg, they're just close. They're not good in flavor.
Tony make you come to his house bringing chicken. He got a brown paper bag on the door and hold your chicken up there. It's darker than this. Come in here. Don't bring your chicken in here. White chicken only.
I don't eat chicken no more. But when I did, I avoided thighs and legs at all costs.
I don't feel like you should be able to talk about this. You're like a dude that doesn't vote talking about laws. Y'all don't feel like you should be able to talk about it.
No, man. I'm my time here. I was the alderman of Chicken City for 10 years.
You said you ain't in the street.
I paid my dues. I was on these campaigns. I was at churches, KFC. I was at Albertsons, Sprouts. All the chicken.
Still out here.
I was at Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A. They the best chicken in the game. Why? Because it's white meat chicken.
Only?
No, but we're not talking about. You're not talking about white meat. You said specifically breast. Because we all agree that wings are fire.
But Chick-fil-A is chicken breast, though.
My argument was dark meat chicken is trash.
Yeah, Chick-fil-A.
The hottest chicken place in the game right now only serves white meat.
But if they started doing dark meat sandwiches,
this is
level.
That would change the game.
They gonna swipe it. They gonna swipe it off the menu. It wasn't selling.
And they would go next level with it.
Don't nobody want no dark meat Chick-fil-A nuggets.
Do it.
In closing.
Please, Chick-fil-A. And give us all a sponsor while you do it.
Let's get first to try it.
Y'all gonna have 5 customers across the nation. Dark meat chicken is disgusting. I'm out.